This is where the assessment context is formed. The Markdown file you see here is generated automatically from URLs, PDFs, or other materials. And this Markdown becomes the only context the model is allowed to use. The model does not see the original web page. It does not see the PDF. It does not use external knowledge. Everything it sees through this Markdown. Why editing exists. The editor is not here because the model cannot handle raw content. In many cases, you can send the Markdown as it is and still get usable items. The editor exists for control, to shape the context, and to prepare it in a way that stays faithful to the sources and efficient for generation. Why manual review still matters. Automatic conversion almost always introduces noise. Navigation blocks, menus, repeated sections, technical or promotional content. The editor lets you clean, focus, and structure the context. You are not changing the meaning. You are deciding what stays relevant for assessment and what is just noise. There's also a practical benefit. Less noise means fewer tokens. Fewer tokens mean lower cost, less model load, and more precise item generation. Adding new context. Editing is not only about removing content. You can add short, controlled notes to support additional item types. For example, a concise theme statement, a short interpretive link, a clarification of a relationship. Markdown as an agreement. So Markdown here is not just a format, it is an agreement between sources, context, and assessment boundaries. It defines what items can be generated from, how deep they can go, and where interpretation must stop. In literature, that boundary is the difference between valid measurement and unfair guessing.